Hello there. That is a Skoda Octavia Mk3 and we can barely see it because it's dark. Nonetheless, that won't stop me showing you how to set the time, which is a quick, simple job. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Okay, the Octavia has two clocks. There's one here in the infotainment system, see that? And there's another one in the instrument cluster just up there. Here's a close-up of the latter. Now, there are two methods to set both clocks simultaneously. In this video, we'll focus on method 2, which is via the instrument cluster. Step 1, if you can find it in the dark, is to grab the key and turn on the ignition. Next, press and hold this set button in the bottom of the instrument cluster until the word time appears on the screen. Alright, so press and hold, and as soon as it says time, we'll let go. And if we press that button again briefly, we can now see that the hours are moving forwards one at a time. See that? And if we hold the button down, the hours race forward at the speed of light. And once you're happy that the hours are correct, let go of the button and then the minutes will light up green instead. Wait for it. Come on. There we go. And now it's the same story. So we can press the set button briefly to move the minutes forward slowly, one at a time, or hold it down to move forward nice and quickly. And once the minutes are set correctly, simply let go of the button, wait a moment, and now, there we go. The clock has been set. And as I indicated earlier, that has simultaneously set the clock in the infotainment system as well. Do you know what else you can do in the dark? You can visit carspytv.com and treat yourself to some merchandise. You can subscribe to the channel and you can click like on this video. Anyway, that's all for now. I'm off to buy a torch.